Okay, class. So if we are looking at this time lapse, so it starts, it's going to be faster, right? So it's just showing us a shadow, and the wooden block is the one that's going to be the object. Right here, if you look at the clock, it's saying that it's 10 to 11, so it's about to be noontime, and it's pointing that this is the north, this is the south, and let's see what happens. All right. So as you see here, we're approaching to be noontime. And remember, in our notes, we said at noon is our shortest shadow. Look how short my shadow is right there. Right there is noon. Okay, we can see a really short shadow that is going straight from the wooden block, which is my object. Now, as we're getting closer to sunset, or which is the afternoon, notice how my shadow is starting to get longer. Remember, sunrise and sunset is when my shadows get larger. Okay, so we keep looking, it's 2 p.m. And notice how my shadow is also starting to point, because remember the sun sets in the west, so my shadow is now pointing to the east. Okay, it keeps getting longer, longer, and longer, and I really like how, if I keep going, it's about to be 4 p.m. So approaching really to 6 p.m. almost. Look how long my shadow is here. Even the clock is starting to also form a shadow, and my shadow is really long. So remember how it was at noon? Look how teeny tiny the shadow was. And then as I go to approaching like almost 6 p.m., which is right about here, look how long my shadow is. All right, go to the next slide so that we can keep practicing and learning more about shadows.